It's me, Alora, and this week's theme on One Cool Tween is freestyle. So, I'm just going to be doing my chores, every chore except for Swiffer today. So, let's get started. First, we're going to be doing water plants, and we're going to also be showing you the baby birds that hatch. I think pretty much all of them has hatched. Come on, let's go. Good. And we might need my mom for assistance to get the baby birds. But first, we're going to do the potted plants. Yeah, there's our front yard. Yeah, so don't get that part, it might be kind of boring, but whatever. So first we're going to be doing the potted plants. It's half. I'm just seeing if there's not a bug. There's not a bug. This marker. Yeah, that's one of our plants that we really don't need to water. And there's the other half. And there's the mom for assistance for that one. I just did that.
I'm just doing a little bit. Hey guys, Uncle Mom here.
Doing a thing.
Just doing my thing. Okay.
Doing some mom assistance.
So we're gonna show you some baby birds. Let me get this plant first.
Oh, that's the baby bird.
All right. Can you please hold that, lady?
And she's going to see if there's any.
Jackson, our cameraman, just made sure that the mommy is out, which she just left. What's something you can tell your viewers about when dealing with baby birds in their nests? You must never
touch them because they could get human scent.
Yep. And
yeah.
If they get human scent, what would happen?
The mama bird will not come back because they don't like human scent and they wouldn't be able to live and they would die.
That's right, because their mommy is the one that brings them food. So
yeah, and never let little kids out of here.
Out here.
Yeah.
So what we do is we make sure the plant stays alive because all this is protecting them from crows, which could eat them. Here are the baby birds. A lot of poop. You can see they're getting more hair. We saw 6 eggs originally. We only see 4 birds now, but it's a little too early to tell if all of them are in there. It looks like there's 4, possibly 5.
Yeah.
But we want to keep them protected from the crows. We don't want to mess with them too much. All we want to do is keep the plant alive until they're big enough to fly on their own. We think they're finches.
They're normally finches because you always have finches.
So we feed the plant every other day, make sure it stays healthy because we love our baby birds that come back. And this is the first year that we've had birds. All the other times we haven't had as full of a pot, and the crows have come and eaten the eggs. So this is our first year. And this is a vine. Fun, cool.
Tween.
Oh, sorry.
I was just telling my mom not to be weird here. I'm the only one that does the acting stuff.
Okay, are you done with your video now? Wrap it up.
Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you want to. Make sure we can get this video to, I'll be able to go on record, 2,085 subscribers and 9,040 likes. Make sure to hit the bell button.